It all started with a cheap grey road-going Honda Civic that when I was employed, it had to stay that way. When I went self-employed, I could afford to build something that I'd always wanted. So it quickly moved from a road car to a bright blue turboed Honda that was still a road car, but predominantly for the track. When we turned the car blue, somebody somewhere come out with, that looks like the Smurf blue. So the car got named the Smurf. From there, we took it to the track. We got a bit faster, and I decided it was time that I'm gonna go all the way with this car. I'm gonna build a full-blown drag car. And at that point, the parts started rolling in. We started getting quicker and quicker, and I decided to have a proper job done and an art wrap, if you like, and call it and name it the Smurf properly. So yeah, that's how the Smurf started. I used to visit the track in England as just a member of the public in, I'd like to say, fast road cars, but I've soon learned now I'm into drag racing, they weren't very fast. And I used to have a go because they do a run what you brung. You can turn up, you can pay, and you can run any car you like. And many years ago, probably, I don't know, 10, 15 years ago now, I did that in one of my road cars and instantly got the bug. As soon as I sat on that line and let that clutch out, something happened inside me and I thought, I love this, I've got to keep doing this. And also the feel of being a drag racer, it's a community, it's a family, everybody comes together. It's not like any other motorsport where you can't ask people for help, you can't go in other people's pits. Drag racing is not like that. If you need help, you can go in anybody's pit and anybody will offer to help you.